Gucci flip flops, fucking hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamond tripping off with a slime. 26 out, Renaissance, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy.
Alright guys, really quick video today. I'm gonna be changing the air intake hose on a 2000 to, I think this works for like a 2006 or 4 Outback. Really easy. I picked this up for 20 bucks. This is part numbers, so everything so you can see it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is literally it. It's a plastic tube. And yeah. I'll show you where it goes. So you don't want to fix this the way I fixed this, but let me show you. Alright, so I really sketchily fixed this by using Gorilla Tape like a really long time ago. This is obviously not what you want to do. It's super simple. It literally just goes like that. But I'm gonna take that off and we're gonna put this on. I told you, very quick video today, but I've seen people actually ask how to do this, so figured why not. Alright, so you can see that clearly it's just like dry rotted right where my thumb is. These tend to rip. Once this rips, it stops actually taking air in from this part of the intake. You technically don't need to fix this because your filter isn't here, but for $20 for the new piece, it's not that bad. And this is the Dorman. I'll put a link in the description, and this isn't like a paid video. Just figured I'd make this because I actually saw in the forums like a decent amount of people that were just like, should I buy this or should I buy like an AutoZone tube? So 20 bucks, not a big deal. Hopefully makes a little bit of a difference. Time to continue ripping this off. Alright, so to take this off, obviously you just need a good old Phillips head. Boom, loosen that, loosen that. This should come right off. You're gonna take this. It's actually a connector piece that is taped up really sketchily, so I'm gonna put some Gorilla Tape around that and redo it. And don't get me wrong, the Gorilla Tape is definitely sketchy, but I don't have the bottom plug or like silencer or whatever, the part that used to be there. I bought this thing for really cheap, so just gonna make do with what we got, but time to take these off. Look at this mess. So shot. Alright, so I really sketchily, but it's definitely sealed, used a ton of Gorilla Tape to cover that hole. Yeah, so this is how you fix this. Make sure that's tight. I'm gonna tighten this. Pops onto that. Honestly, I might put tape around this too, a little more airtight, and then this ring over this, and then boom, right back on. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I tightened this up. New piece is on. Here it is. Truthfully, would I even pay the $20 to fix this? Honestly, I would say no. Because even when it's fixed, that's literally like, there's nothing you could put there. There's no C-clamp, there's no anything. So it's kind of like pointless in a way. I mean, it's not pointless, but I don't know. I just don't see the value to it. But that is how you fix it. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna put tape around that. And that's it for today, guys. Really quick video, like I said. A lot coming into 2019. New cameras coming up in a month or so. 4K, really nice lens setup, whole nine. External mic, no more G7X. I'll still be using it, just not all the time. But make sure you follow me at Instagram, Matty Watts, Facebook, Matty Watts, and hit that subscribe button. And also check out my website. Thank you guys, help me hit that 1,000.